Welcome. Continue exercise question today 98. See, this frame is same as the frame we considered last time. Only change is this is joined not to mid. See, last time this F is joined to midpoint of AC. So D was last time midpoint of AC. I told trigonometric part there. Now it is not that way. In the question it is given. See, this member is perpendicular. See, one place given sufficient. There is no place right here. Okay, E. It is given. This is perpendicular. So how construction? A, B, 4 meter. Mark height of 1.5 meter. From here, draw perpendicular. You get D and E. This time height given, angle will calculate. After 98, 99 is there, where symmetrical load I am giving. There, I will give angle. Height you have to calculate if required. If required, you have to calculate. Okay, now, question written here. Read it. First class. This type of question already told earlier. See, for finding support reaction, see here. Here, at the support also, some force are given. See here, 6 and 10 at B, 25 and 12 at A. If you know the subject correctly, this 25 and 12 you can ignore, and 10 also you can ignore, but 6 you cannot ignore. So that's why I am not going to tell if any force given at the support, ignore it. What people will do? They will ignore the 6 also. Danger. Reason we won't discuss here. Therefore, you in engineering mechanics, whatever given, you consider. That comes in strength of materials or structural analysis or design part later. Okay, start. Now, calculation of support reactions. See, already same question solved earlier. But even though exercise question, briefly I will tell. See here. Enter all the forces. See, 2 meter, 2 meter. When you take moment about A, see, 14 into this height required. See, that height is D dash. Then 40 into this distance required. That is A to D dash. Whatever you get A to D dash is also B to E dash. Whatever this height is that height. And you require one more angle here. See, one angle theta on this side, one angle theta to that side. So, before finding support reaction, first you go for trigonometry. Briefly, see here. 2 meter, one side sufficient, 2 meter. Height 1.5 meter. First you find theta 1. See, I will not discuss anything. You should write triangle AFC. See, don't see triangle AFC, right angle triangle, tan theta 1 equal to 1.5 by 2. Theta 1 will come. 36.87. See now, immediately, this is perpendicular to this number. So, if this is 90, this also 90. So, once even ADF also is right angle triangle. So, once you get theta 1, theta 2 equal to 90 minus theta 1. You should write here. Question mark means you should write. See, because this is 90. Once you get theta 1, theta 2 equal to, you show the calculation 90 minus theta 1. Okay, then. Now, how to get AD dash and DD dash? See here. Once you get the value of theta 1, you consider, see, this triangle ADD dash. Consider the triangle ADD dash. But before, no, see, from triangle ADD dash, this right angle triangle, you can find AD dash and D dash because theta 1 known, provided you know the length of AD. So first you find length of AD. To find length of AD, consider the triangle ADF. See, ADF also is right angle triangle. See here, right angle triangle, this one. This is 90. So in this right angle triangle, cos theta 1 equal to AD divided by 2. I wrote here. So you get the value of AD. Okay, then once you get AD, see, to get AD, you consider ADF triangle. Once you get AD, don't see that side. Consider triangle ADD dash. I wrote here, see, ADD dash. Now get AD dash and D dash from triangle AD dash. Very simple. Cos theta 1 equal to AD dash by AD, because this is hypotenuse now. AD dash by AD. Okay. AD dash will come. Sin theta 1 equal to DD dash by AD. DD dash will come. Okay. Everything is over. Actually, I repeated. It is already told earlier. Big sketch. Okay. Now, enter all the values. Take moment. I wrote here. See. Minus VB into 4. 6 into 0. Then 10 into 4 clockwise. 8 into 0.96 anti-clockwise. 30 into this distance is 4 minus 1.28 clockwise. 20 into 2. 9 into this height of 1.5. 14 into this height clockwise. 40 into this distance clockwise. 25 into 0. 12 into 0. You will get VB will come 58.015 kilometer. Once you get VB, sigma V 0, sigma H 0, get the value of VA and HA. Now, one important, see, at A, there is a horizontal reaction. Also, one horizontal force. What you do is, this hinge, you write little bigger here. See, little bigger. One, see, actually there is no gap here. They are collinear. See, both are passing here. So, this I told earlier, whenever outside two forces are acting here, what you do is, see, you write this hinge little bigger, so that this is the given force of 12. This is horizontal reaction. Later, both of them are passing through point A. This all I told. Now reactions over. Now question to be continued. To be continued. Continued for first find axial forces by method of joints. First they want axial forces by method of joints. Then verify for which member? CD. Where is CD? Here, see. CD, DF and AF by method of sections. That is, now you have to continue. I will continue that one. But a minute. Okay, we will continue now. I will be frank with you. Once I stopped the previous recording, I told I will start method of joints. Reactions are over. See, this is something else. Don't see here now. Usually, it will take to write this much. See, this to make sketches ready, 10-15 minutes it will take. But it is already more than 1 hour. Because I will tell actual truth I will tell. Nothing to hide. See, I told I am also human being. I wrote calculation of axial forces here. This sketch you can see slightly changed now. Okay, then entered the reaction. I started method of joints. I started recording. Whatever I try, I am not getting balance here. See, I cannot make mistake in equilibrium. It is ruled out. Direction wise, there is no confusion for me. When I put the direction here, there is no confusion. But my calculator sometimes gives trouble. It's the old calculator. I should be careful. So what I did was, I stopped the recording. Then I checked here. I came here and checked where is the mistake. I checked it 5 times. Do you believe? Can you believe? 5 times I have gone all wrong. Whatever I do, joint of equilibrium is not maintained. I got frustrated. Frustrated means what? What? A problem giving so much trouble to me. See, not that it should not give trouble to me, but to me trouble. How it is possible? Then what happened is, I don't know where is the mistake. I know there is no technical mistake. It's impossible. Sign conversion, that sign deciding, direction deciding, absolutely no confusion for me. and maintaining equilibrium, I cannot make mistake. Then where is the mistake? I searched. I found the reaction again and again. Again I got reaction 66.985 and 58.095. I wrote the steps there. I checked that reaction calculation 4-5 times. Angles are checked. Then where is the mistake? Got somewhat frustrated. Then I saw here. Suddenly realized what is the mistake. See, that's all. Suddenly realized what is the mistake. When I found, make a note here. Make a note. I got reaction. You make a note now. See, earlier, little earlier. For you, little earlier. I took moment about A. Sigma M for, you write here, while finding reactions. While finding reactions. While finding reactions, I took sigma M about A equal to 0 and clockwise positive. I got the value of VB. How much I got VB? Plus 58.015 kilonewton. Okay. At that time I wrote, see here, minus VB into 4, 6 into 0, 10 into 4 clockwise, 30 into 4 minus 1.28, minus 8 into 0.96, plus 20 into 2, plus 9 into 1.5, plus 40 into 1.28, plus 14 into height 0.96 equal to 0. What happened was, I forgot this force. This load was there. See, that is the only chance of mistake. By mistake, one load, this load is not considered. So, if the 16 kilonewton load is not considered, reactions are correct. Then, when I consider equilibrium, you see, I saw the question here. When I copied the question, I wrote 16. With 16, due to 16, reactions are not calculated. And what result you got from there with the reactions without 16, when you consider 16, how it can tally? It cannot tally. I got angry with myself. I decided, in future, I will see all this one. I will count next time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 loads are there. 0, 0, 0. 3 zeros are there. So 11 minus 3 is 8. 8 terms should be there. I will count it. See, I told, mistake can happen by anybody. See, this is actually only mistake. Technical mistake is ruled out. Then, even 4-5 times I checked the equilibrium, whatever I try, not getting the answer. It never happened so far, because I see this when I took moment about A, 16 not considered. So remember, right, at that time, moment of 16 kilonewton at F was not considered. So therefore now correct it. What? When you take moment here, right here, minus VB into what? Minus VB into 4. First one thing, troublemaker, plus 16 into 2. Okay. Now continue the remaining. You will get VB. How much? I noted the answer somewhere there. Where is the answer? VB. I noted the answer just now. Okay, why note the answer? You will get VB not 58.015. You will get, see, it is not 66.985. 1 minute. You will get, I have to do one thing. See, 16 is symmetrical load. 58.015 plus another 8. 50, how much it is? 58.015 plus another 8. 66.015. This reaction is corrected now. 66.015 kilonewton. And here this will come 66.985 plus another 8. Why another 8? Because of 16 symmetrical, 8 and 8 is the reaction. That's all. 74.985. See, 74.985 is the reaction. So this is the correct reaction. Make a note. See, Earlier when I wrote method of sections there, I prepared something. I wrote 50 something. I wrote what? 58.0.5. Now I change it. See? Now I change the number. Okay. Over. See, therefore, I told mistake can happen by anybody. We are all human beings. This is called oversight. See, one load was forgotten. I first thought, let me remove that load. It will save a lot of time. But what happened is, after recording, when I did not check the answer, I started somewhat abusing myself only. I told, see, in Kannada language, I told, Grachara, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗ್ರಾಚಾರ ಆಗೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು. Or in English, I can tell, what this troublemaker to me. I even told there, troubling me. See, that way. So then I decided, let not you hear all those things. But remember, it was decent words. I never use indecent language. So, but shouting at, sometimes you also, when you get angry, you tell, hey, what is this? Why I did this way? So therefore, make a note. It is a warning to you and warning to me also. See, I told human being, we are likely to make mistake, but I can tell with confidence, technical mistake I will not make. Okay, now, so therefore, now I decided I will finish this question and close the class. I am not in a mood to do one more question. 99 I will take tomorrow. Tomorrow class, most probably next class, I will do 4-5 questions because why? All easy questions. Okay, now start. Now see, full spirit. See, because see, mistake cannot happen. Okay, now start. First start, correct, clear, one by one force. 74.985. What is this one? See, I put 74.985. Point did not activated in the calculator. It was showing 74,985. See, I should change my calculator. 74.985. I should see every time here. Minus, see, again, chance of making mistake. But I remember because, why? Because 5-6 times I was checking. I remember this 25. See, otherwise I would have forgotten once again. See, when I entered here, there's a load of 25 kilonewton here. See, 25 kilonewton here. I did not forget now because I checked 5 times. Each time I was doing 74.985 minus 25. Then I saw where is the 25 here? Not there. Divided by 0.6. 83.308. Now fluently answer will come. I write here 83.308 into 0.8 plus 21 minus 12. 75.647. See later, method of sections. See here, force in EIF by method of section. See, perfectly tally later. Oh, now I will come to joint B. Both are inclined. So for you, simultaneous equation will come. For me, no problem. Because this is perpendicular, I can do it very fast. 1 minute. 70.508. 70.508 at this force. 40.4. I will come to this joint. Minus 10 divided by 0.6. 93.358. All values are in, this is called star sketch. See, those who come to my class regularly and follow me, they know what is star sketch, and all values are in kilonewton. Into 0.8 minus 6. Light problem. 68.687. I will come to this joint. 70.508 into 0.8 plus another 9 divided by 0.8. 81.758. 81.758 plus 70.508 into 0.6, subtract from 20. 71.36. 71.36 is this force. Now last I will come to this joint. I will get this force by vertical equilibrium. 71.36 minus 40.4 into 0.8 minus 16 is so much divided by 0.8. 28.8. Down. Yes, up. This is how I got up, I got down. 28.8. Now see, up to here I did it. Then I checked the horizontal equilibrium here. Since this force was wrong because of this one, equilibrium was not maintained. Now it will come. So check the equilibrium. 40.4 into 0.6, then minus 75.647, then minus 28.8 into 0.6 is 68. Perfectly tally. Okay, now I will check the equilibrium of joint E, which I have not gone. I will check it. Vertical equilibrium 28.8 into 0.8 plus 93.358 into 0.6 minus 81.758 into 0.6. 30. Yes. Horizontal equilibrium 93.358 minus 81.758 into 0.8 and plus 28.8 into 0.6 is something happened there. 93.358 minus 81.758 into 0.8 is horizontal 9.24. That is 9.24 this way. Then into minus 1 plus 28.8 into 0.6. 8. Perfectly tally. Over. So now it is full proof. See, I told only problem was I forgot the 16 when for reactions was calculated, but when I put the diagram I put 16. So reaction increases by 8 and 8. That effect is carried over here. That's why it happened. Okay, leave it. Now last part, concluding part. I won't continue further now because so much time I wasted. Okay, you also learn a lesson from this one. To verify results for which one? CD, where is it? See, I told this member, this member, this member. So show a cut here. See, show a cut. This all I explained. This way. See, cut here. Since you are verifying, now this all statement you know it. See, here. This and this intact. This force assumed like this. Why? Because you know it is like that. You know the answer. This one you take like this because answer is no. This one you take like this. Okay. Take moment about A, D. This also I should not explain. See, when you take moment about D, this all into 0. See, minus PAF into 0.96 plus 20 plus 21 into 0.96 minus 12 into 0.96 plus 74.785 into 1.28 equal to 0. PAF will come 75.647. Then sigma V0, sigma S0, I wrote it. Exercise question, I should not tell. See the expression here. There. See, this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Solving 1 and 2. Someone will tell, sir, how you can solve 1 and 2 when there are 2 unknowns here, 3 unknowns here? No. By this time, see, your PAF is known. See, PAF is known. So, sigma V0 means I now put a sign here. Minus PDC sign plus PDF sign. That's on here. Minus PDC cos. Then PDF minus PDF cos. Then plus PAF. Okay. But by this time, PAF is known for you. See, therefore, 2 unknown here, 2 unknown here. Solve. I will not solve. I will take the calculator, do it on the other side of calculator. PDC will come 70.508. 7 plus 70 point. It will come 508 kilonewton. PAF will come, not PAF, PAF, other one is PDF. Okay, PDF will come, PDF, this one, 40.4. Okay, right here, the statement. What forces we got there, joint, same direction we considered for checking purpose, all came positive and numerically also perfectly tallying. Therefore, 100% tallying. See, I wrote 100% before solving only. Why? I know if I check a result in engineering mechanics or strength of materials or structure analysis or matrix method or finite element method or any analytical subject, design part means approximation is there. Then I always write 100% result has to come. It came up to today from past 40, more than 43, 44 years. It came today. It will come. It will keep on coming till I continue, till the last class when I finally decide to stop taking classes. Long time. I feel I can take the class. See, I have to do so many things now. Mechanics almost getting over now, but strength of materials very huge. Structure analysis much huge. So it will course will keep on coming now. I will start uploading classes now, strength of materials onwards. I will see that per day at least 1.5 hours, not half an hour like that. Okay, this will complete the question. Since I am feeling little irritated because this gave me trouble. That second question, I first thought today only I will do it. Where symmetry, I will tell you now. Symmetrical loading, very easy. Next class I will do it. Next class I will do much more questions. And next class some more questions where lot of zero forces will come. That also will cover next class. Okay, we will meet next class. Thank you.